Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Ridan Azhar Nawafasa. I'm student at Physics Education Department of UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung, Indonesia. In this lovely session, I would like to present the research journal entitled Quantity and Unit in Chemical and Environmental Engineering by Peter Glevick. I will start my presentation from introduction of the research. The introduction of the research of this research is after the letter number and unit, the system of quantity was the last one developed and standardized global. Quantity is a property of a phenomenon, body or subtension, where the property has a magnitude that can be expressed by mean of a number and a reference. The first international organization trying to standardize chemical and physics quantity have been the International Union for and Applied Physics, or IUPAP. Then, to keep this research on the track, writer employed qualitative method science. This method is suitable with the nature of the research. Now, I will elaborate the finding of this research. Chemical and process engineering quantities are very exhaustive, as they cover many topics based on chemistry, physics, mathematics, economic eds that deal with a very broad range of material, method, and equipment. Therefore, an ISO standard about quantities and unit in this field is truly need. Beside it, some addiction captured in the IUVAC Green Book would also be welcome. Uh, Number one, basic chemical engineering principle and unit operation. Some body quantities that are not included in other part of ISO 80,000 are present in table 1. Value of constant are taken from the SI brochures. This table 1 for basic chemical engineering principle and unit operational. Then chemical reaction engineering. Chemical reaction is the heart of chemical engineering activity. Reactant are flowing into a reactor where they react and produce flow out of the reactor. Therefore, flow rate must be discussion first. That is for table 2 for chemical reaction engineering. And then other unit operation. Unit operation are numerous and differ very much from one another. This for table 3 or other unit operation. And the last, process development and design. Process development data, which can be internal or external. Process evaluation that include capacity determination and economic process optimization and decision making are important. Uh, this for table 4, process development and design. Uh, Conclusion from the data finding, it can be concluded that chemical and process engineering as well as environmental science and engineering are not represented in the 30 part of ISO 80,000 standard on quantity and unit. This paper tried to discuss and propose some of the most important quantities in the areas of chemical and environment engineering and process economic. The area is too broad and complex for the definite selection of quantities, their name and symbol, but every journey start with a single step. To close my presentation, thank you.